Hey everybody, look at this bird that I found. I don't know what's wrong with it. See if I can pick it up. Well, it doesn't want to be picked up. Some sort of a tit. Looks like it'll be alright, but I'm not sure. It's becoming fairly active now. It's trying to fly. I was trying to give it some water, but I don't think it wants any. Well, see if I can get a hold of it. Oh. I'm not so sure what to do with it. If I could find a box, I could put it in it. But, you know, I probably wouldn't want to go in a box either. It'll take a while for it to fly. I think it's an adult bird, but, you know, it's been stunned by something. Well, he got better in the end, so that's good. He still hasn't gotten out of this tree, though. So now he's flown to the water tank.